Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. Caterpillar announced a $100 million investment to develop technological skills in its employees. This 5-year initiative aims to prepare workers for the industry's digital transformation, focusing on automation, AI, and data analytics. Read more about the workforce training program in this article. Meanwhile, Alef Aeronautics has released new footage of its Model A flying car, which is capable of street driving and vertical takeoff and landing. This vehicle demonstration marks a significant step towards its anticipated production in early 2026. Check out the footage in our video coverage of the flight in both open fields and city environments. In the additive manufacturing industry, Hattie has launched what it claims to be the world's largest 3D printing factory in Florida. Initially focused on furniture, the large-scale digital manufacturing company is expanding into sectors like defense and construction, utilizing recyclable materials for localized production. Head on over to our write-up to learn more about the startup's microfactory. Moving on to the defense sector, the U.S. Air Force successfully tested integrating a Harpoon anti-ship missile onto an F-16 fighter jet without modifying either platform. This achievement utilizes a gateway system for communication and showcases a faster and more flexible approach to integrating advanced weaponry. Watch the jet in action in this video. Lastly, Lucid Motors purchased Nikola Corporation's facilities and assets through a bankruptcy deal. The agreement will support Lucid's expansion plans, including the production of the Lucid Gravity SUV, and offer jobs to over 300 former Nikola employees. Learn more about the significant electric vehicle industry acquisition in our article. For more industrial news and trends, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.